When you ask the question about identity theft, I think it's important for the practitioner not only to be aware of identity theft, not just of your client, but how exposed your office is becoming. Our past has been, we have, we always say, well, I had 2 last year, I had 4 last year, taxpayers that their identity was compromised and it was a fraudulent return file. But I think what we have to realize is, yes, we got to educate our clients, but we have to educate ourselves because we're now becoming the target. So your office is the target. And just think about it. We all have a preparer PIN number, and those, we know them. There's about 740,000 of them. I refer to the 700,000 club. But the point of it is they know who we are. But you can't just look at our little bubble as our little office. And all I have, for example, I only have one computer, and I only e-file it, and I unplug it, and I plug it back in. But what you don't realize is when you plug it back in, it's all sitting there waiting on you. See, it waits. So the thing you have to look at is you have to be more aware of how your office can be compromised, because think about it. You are under the same standard of protecting your client's information as the bank is in protecting your money. There's the Graham Leach Bliley, there's Federal Trade Commission, there's the Bank Holding Company Act. Those are 3 separate sets of regulations, not including 7216 under the Internal Revenue, that if you allow somebody to get your client's information, that's $1,000 per client penalty. So I've gave you 4 legal reasons why that we have to pay attention. But more importantly, we care about our client. We care about our employees. So what we have to look at is this office is only as strong as the weakest link in our chain of communication. For example, if you have a client that brings you in a QuickBook, the accountant's version on the QuickBook on a stick, and you put that memory stick in your computer, what you didn't realize, if their computer system has malware, your system now has malware. Or you're working remotely from home at night. Oh, don't worry about it. The kids are on the home computer system, typically a Wi-Fi system. You got the smart refrigerator, that you can, call in to get what's wrong with my refrigerator, or the smart TV. Mine the other night popped up and says, you need to update me. The baby monitor. See, those are all smart chips. Those are all mini computers. Your phone, your smartphone, that's why you call it a smartphone. It's got a chip in it. So it's a computer too. So think about your network of information around you. So at the end of last season, IRS Criminal Division said there was a 400% increase in compromising of tax firms. Do you want your name in the paper? So what we have to look at is those compromises. The interesting note, the biggest area of getting into my office was remote access from home, because the home system wasn't secured, or that client's system that we communicate with is not secured. What we have is compromise. And if we're compromised, our hard drive, what's it worth to a bad guy?